Your lawn might not be dying, it might just be suffocating. That hidden layer of thatch can quietly block water, air, and nutrients from reaching the soil, and no matter how much you water or fertilize, nothing really improves. After going through hundreds of real user reviews, comparing specs side by side, and looking at how these machines actually perform in different lawn conditions, we've narrowed it down to 5 dethatchers that consistently deliver real results. Each one is built for a different type of yard and level of thatch buildup, so whether you need something for light maintenance or a machine that can bring a neglected lawn back to life, this breakdown will help you pick the right one. Starting at number 5, the SunJoe AJ8 15-inch electric dethatcher and scarifier is designed for people who want more coverage without stepping into bulky, heavy machines. With its 13-amp motor and wider 15-inch path, it handles medium-sized lawns more efficiently, cutting down the number of passes you need to make. One thing that really stands out here is the larger collection bag. Smaller dethatchers can get frustrating fast because you're constantly stopping to empty them, but this one reduces those interruptions so you can keep working longer. It also comes with 5 depth settings, which gives you better control depending on how thick the thatch is in different areas of your yard. Some spots may only need a light pass, while others need deeper treatment. The wheels glide smoothly, and overall handling feels balanced, which helps reduce fatigue. This is a great choice if you want something more capable than entry-level models, but still easy to manage. We placed it at number 5 because it offers a noticeable upgrade in both coverage and convenience without becoming overly complex. At number 4, the WEN DT1516 electric dethatcher and scarifier brings more power into the mix, making it a better fit for tougher conditions. It runs on a 15-amp motor and reaches around 3,300 RPM, which really helps when you're dealing with thick, stubborn thatch. The 16-inch working width also means you can cover larger areas faster, which is a big advantage if you don't want to spend hours on lawn care. What makes this model especially useful is the interchangeable system. You get both a dethatching head for pulling up debris and a scarifying head for cutting into the soil. That means you're not just cleaning the surface, you're actually improving soil health and promoting better growth. The adjustable depth settings let you control how aggressive you want to go, which is important if your lawn has a mix of healthy and problem areas. Like most dethatchers, the collection bag fills quickly during heavy use, but it still helps reduce cleanup time overall. This one is ideal for medium to larger lawns where a basic machine just won't cut it. We ranked it at number 4 because it solves the problem of underpowered models while still staying practical for home use.
At number 3, the Greenworks 40V 15-inch cordless dethatcher and scarifier focuses on convenience and freedom. One of the biggest frustrations with lawn tools is dealing with cords, getting tangled, running out of reach, or constantly repositioning. This model completely eliminates that problem. Powered by a 40V battery system, it gives you the flexibility to move around your yard without restrictions. It also runs quieter than most corded options, which makes the whole experience more comfortable. The quick swap reel system allows you to switch between dethatching and scarifying without hassle, so you can handle both surface cleanup and deeper soil work with one machine. The stainless steel tines are built for durability, helping maintain consistent performance over time. With a 14-inch path and adjustable depth settings, it strikes a good balance between coverage and control, especially in tighter areas or around edges. While cordless models don't always match the raw power of corded ones, this still performs well for most residential needs. It's perfect for anyone who values ease of use and mobility over maximum power. We placed it at number 3 because it removes one of the biggest pain points, cord management, while still delivering reliable results. At number 2, the Worx WG850 electric dethatcher is all about simplicity and ease of use. It's noticeably lighter than most models, weighing under 20 pounds, which makes a big difference when you're pushing it around your yard, especially if you're dealing with uneven terrain or slopes.
The 12-amp motor paired with a 14-inch width is tuned more for routine maintenance rather than aggressive dethatching, which actually makes it ideal for homeowners who just want to keep their lawn in good condition without overdoing it. The depth settings are straightforward and easy to adjust, giving you enough flexibility without making things complicated. It also features a folding handle, which is a small detail but really helpful if you don't have a lot of storage space. The collection bag isn't very large, so you may need to empty it more often, but for smaller lawns, it still keeps cleanup simple and manageable. This dethatcher is best suited for small to medium-sized yards, where ease of handling matters more than raw power. We put it at number 2 because it solves the problem of bulky, heavy machines and makes lawn care feel much more approachable. And at number 1, the SunJoe AJ801E electric lawn dethatcher and scarifier takes the top spot by offering the best overall balance of performance, versatility, and value. With its 12-amp motor and compact design, it's easy to control while still delivering strong, consistent results. What really sets it apart is its dual functionality. It not only removes thatch effectively, but also works as a scarifier, helping improve airflow and encourage stronger root growth over time. The adjustable depth settings give you precise control, whether you're doing light maintenance or tackling more serious buildup. It also features air boost technology with spring steel tines, which helps lift more debris in each pass and leaves your lawn looking cleaner. The collection bag isn't the largest, but it's enough to keep the process tidy without adding too much hassle. This is an excellent option for homeowners with small to medium-sized lawns who want visible improvements without investing in expensive professional equipment. We ranked it at number 1 because it consistently delivers healthier, greener lawns while staying affordable and easy to use. So those were some of the best lawn dethatchers you can get right now, each one built for different needs, lawn sizes, and levels of thatch buildup. The key isn't just buying a dethatcher, it's choosing the one that actually matches your situation. A smaller, lightweight model might be perfect for regular maintenance, while a more powerful machine can completely transform a lawn that's been struggling for years. If your grass has been looking thin, patchy, or lifeless, removing that hidden layer of thatch can make a bigger difference than you think. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple, practical guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.